Hi, my name is Ronnie Grass. This is Chapter 5, Emergency Vehicle Operations. For the textbooks, I chose the case Hunter v. City of Columbus. What that has to do with is an ambulance driver that was driving, pulled up to an intersection, pulled into the oncoming traffic, thought traffic was stopped. However, a lady going the same direction made a left-hand turn and turned and ended up getting killed by the ambulance driver. The husband actually sued the driver and the passenger of the ambulance, as well as the City of Columbus. Now, ultimately, the case never went to trial, and the City of Columbus settled out of court. I find this relevant to us because I'm a VFIS instructor. I teach our guys every year anything that's new going into a higher revised code, just to reiterate things that our best practices are. I think cameras nowadays can actually help prove cases and actually help a victim, where it could have been this case as well. For my recent case, I chose the City of Kingsville versus Dominguez. This is about the Court of Appeals ordered a lawsuit dismissed, stating that a firefighter was not driving recklessly when on an EMS run, going lights and sirens following behind an ambulance. I chose this case because my department always has a chase vehicle. Our engines always trail behind our ambulances on all EMS calls, and likewise our ambulance follows behind our fire truck on fire calls if it's in that district. I think it's important for the driver or the officer to pay close attention when you're going through intersections. As you can learn from the case before, it wasn't just the driver that was sued, it's the driver, it's the officer, it's the city or your township, wherever you're located, that can all get involved in the lawsuit. For my current event, I chose the study of the driver perception of emergency warning lights and retroflective markings. I thought this was really interesting. We've actually retrofitted all of our vehicles to have high intensity lightings, as well as the chevrons on the back of all the vehicles. But this study says that reflective markings may increase the amount of scattered light entering the eyes of a driver, making the responder less visible. The study raises the possibility that combining high-intensity lights with high-visibility markings may make it more difficult to see a firefighter at night when they're on foot working, even if they do have a vest on or a high-visibility jacket. The relevance is I found out that our department, like I said, retrofitted all our vehicles to have this. And until you're in a vehicle behind another vehicle with these lights on, you have no idea how bright they are until you're sitting right behind it, and it does hurt your eyes. But I'd be curious to know if the results of the study were actually just done during nighttime or if they were done during the day. I didn't see anything about during the day results, but I think the lights are actually good during the day, but at nighttime, obviously a different story. Thank you.